Hi, I'm Carl, and we're going to talk about how to properly kick open a door. First thing you do is assess, is it a pull door or a push door? How do you do that? If I can see visible hinges, judging by the knob and everything, hey, if it's a door that pulls towards you, good luck kicking that puppy in. It's not going to happen. However, if it is a push door, right, I don't have the key for it, they don't want to let me in, I got to get through that door. If it's a hollow door, you kick it in the center, maximum jackassery here. Your legs are going to go straight through it. You're going to look like a freaking moron. Aim near the locking mechanism right here. Don't kick the knob. You'll twist your ankle, right? But you want to get your foot as close to the center right there, close to the frame. Even on a hollow door, it's still reinforced at the edges. Kicking, the intent is to separate the locking mechanism through the soft wood on the other side. One of the two is going to give, and you'll be in. Piece of cake. All right, all you do is step away so that you have enough distance to get your force forward. If you don't, you're just going to bounce off the door. Pick your site where you want to put your foot.